Imagine stepping onto a world where the sky glows red, the air is unbreathable, and survival depends entirely on technology. Could you handle life on Mars? Today, you're not just dreaming about it, you're part of the first group of settlers carving out a new home on the red planet. Mars is no paradise. The planet is cold, temperatures often plunge to 80 degrees at night. The atmosphere? Mostly carbon dioxide, offering no protection against deadly radiation. You'll need a pressurized suit just to step outside. So why are we so obsessed with living on Mars? Because the red planet offers something no other place in our solar system does: a chance to start over. Your survival starts with your habitat, a bubble of safety against the hostile environment. Engineers are working on using Martian regolith, basically the planet's dirt, to build radiation-proof shelters. But until then, you'll live in prefabricated modules flown in from Earth. Did you know a single trip to Mars requires launching over 100 tons of cargo? That's enough to fill about 15 school buses. Next comes food and water. You won't find rivers or farmlands here. Instead, you'll rely on hydroponic gardens, plants grown in nutrient-rich water under artificial sunlight. Water will likely come from melted ice beneath Mars's surface, but extracting it isn't easy. You're in charge of the hydroponics lab. Think you can keep the lettuce alive? The entire colony depends on you. Now let's talk about Mars' infamous dust storms. These planet-wide monsters can last for months, blocking sunlight and threatening solar panels. Imagine living under an orange haze, where every step outside feels like a battle against the elements. But the biggest challenge isn't physical, it's mental. Isolation, limited contact with Earth, and the psychological weight of being millions of miles away from home can take a toll. NASA's training programs now include virtual reality simulations to prepare astronauts for the emotional strain. How would you handle months without fresh air, open skies, or the sound of rain? Mars demands more than survival, it demands resilience. Despite the challenges, humanity's dream of living on Mars is closer than ever. Companies like SpaceX are racing to make it a reality, envisioning cities of thousands, maybe even millions, living and thriving on the red planet. Want to know more about how we're turning science fiction into reality? Hit that subscribe button and visit our blog at dailyspace.info. Living on Mars isn't just about surviving, it's about pioneering. It's about taking the next giant leap for humanity and building a future among the stars. The question is, are you ready to take that leap?